diamonds. Come kiss me silver and gold. You say that I won't lose you, but you can't predict the future. So just hold on like you will never let go. Yeah, if you ever move on without me, I need to make sure you know that you are the only one I'll ever love. Give it to you, yeah. You, if it's not you, it's not anyone. Give it to you.
Vot selline show peaks siin kohe hakkama avanema teie ees. Ann-Mari Kirsi, oled sa valmis kohe jätkama? Jahuu! Black and Brownit esindamas Ann-Mari Kirsi ning esimesena finalistidest oma soolot esitamas.
Dime que no te arrepientes aún. Dime si aún queda algo en común. El tiempo que se pierde no vuelve. Dame un beso y bájame de la cruz. No olvidar, can you let it go? Can you let it go? No olvidar, can you let it go? No olvidar, no olvidar, can you let it go? Can you let it go? No olvidar, can you let it go? No olvidar.
Suur tänu, Ann-Mari, see impro andis küll performance'i mõõdu juba välja, aga toonitan, et kõik lood tulevad niimoodi loosi tahtel, nii et vahel tuleb siuke lugu, mida sa oled kuulnud ja vahepeal tuleb selline, mida üldse ei teadnud, et eksisteerib. Selline see formaat juba on. Vaatame, mis looga üllatab DJ Artur Jukolat, kes tuleb samuti Black and Brownist.
'Cause you've got me and you know that I've got you and I know. If the tide takes California, I'm so glad I got to hold ya. And if the sky falls from heaven above, oh, I know I had the best time falling into love. We've been living on a fault line, and for a while you were all mine. I spent a lifetime giving you my heart. I swear that I'll be yours forever till forever falls apart. Till forever falls apart.
So this is it.
Suur tänu sulle, Artur! Ning lava võtab üle the one and only Jane ehk Jane Pärn. 3, 5, 9 number seekord. Tants ikka Jane oma.
I've been locked inside your heart-shaped box. I've been drawn into your magnetar picture. I wish I could eat your cancer when you turn black. Hey, wait, I've been complain forever and into as if I. Hey, wait, I can't
kes tuleb Tähtvere tantsukeskusest. Karoliina. Aitäh sulle, Karoliina, ning nüüd palume lavale Lissette Malla, kes tuleb Karoliina tantsustuudiost. Let's go!
Before you came around, I was doing just fine. Usually, I don't pay no mind. And when it came down, I was looking in your eyes. Suddenly, I can feel it inside. I've got a fever, so can you check? Hand on my forehead, kiss my neck. And when you touch me, baby, I turn red. I've got a fever, so can you check? Peut-être qu'avec du temps, ça partira. Et pourtant, je ne m'y vois pas. Comme un médicament, moi je serai rien sans toi. Et je sais que je perds de temps dans tes bras.
Suur tänu, Lissette! Eelviimasena on teie ees Merilin Gruberg. Nii et suur aplaus Merilinile. 364 on seekord finalisti numbriks.
Turn off the TV, it's starting to freak me out. It's so loud, it's like my ears are bleeding. What am I feeling? Can't look at the ceiling. The light is so bright, it's like I'm overheating. Is it mine? Is it mine? Who am I to judge? Oh, I should be fine, but it's all too much. I get overwhelmed so easily. My anxiety creeps inside of me, makes it hard to breathe. What's come over me feels like I'm somebody else. I get overwhelmed so easily. My anxiety keeps me silent when I try to speak. What's come over me feels like I'm somebody else. I get overwhelmed. These faces who don't know what space is, and crowds are shut down. I'm overstimulated. Nobody gets it. Say I'm too sensitive. I can't listen 'cause I'm eyeing the exits. Is mine? Is it mine? Who am I to judge? Oh, I should be.
No vägev jälle, hea tantsija tantsib viimase helilaine, viimase võnkeri. Nüüd aga Miia-Liisa Saar on valmis, et Black and Browni eest näidata siin finaalis, mis temast veel peidus on.
Taking it step by step, boy, am I out of my depth? Are these really my bones? Am I really on my own? Never thought I'd get this far. Maybe I betrayed my heart. Feel the blood surge
kõikidele ning teil on võimalus veel ühe korra fannida ja siin Spotlight Challenge'il teha midagi toredat. Kontaktimpro on lubatud, platsile võiksite jääda, aga kuskil ronige või midagi publikusse tulge, et ruum on piiratud, aga kõik muu on vaba, nii et go for it.
Spotlight Challenge.